What is up, everybody? This is Chris Guthrie from Delta9 Systems, coming to you from Delta9 HQ in Cincinnati, Ohio. We've got a couple of awesome new products that are about to hit the website, and I want to share them with you personally before they are available. If you are dealing with soil, if you are dealing with cocoa, you are of course dealing with pots. If you're dealing with pots, on harvest day, you are dealing with disposing of your soil and your root ball and then mixing it up 50-50 with some sort of non-organic substrate to be compliant. You are then washing those pots. Then you are sterilizing those pots. This is a huge, huge job for 1, 2, 3, 4, 10 people, depending on the size of your operation. We have a solution for you. Lots of you are using disposable pots already, but I see a mass murder of these pots going on because they don't come with Delta9's pre-cut drainage holes. We're going to be able to offer this 3 mil panda plastic, so it's black on one side, white on the other, 3 gallon, 5 gallon, and for those of you out there who are just straight growing trees, 10 gallon panda plastic pots. On harvest day, instead of going through that entire dance that you have been doing, take your plant, take it at the stem, break it down, do your hang, whatever you are doing, then pick this up and throw it away. Your root ball, your soil, and this will all count toward the 50-50 mix you are required to execute before you dispose of this and bring in your next round. Like I said, these have your drainage holes already pre-cut, and we made sure that there were some on the bottom and about 4 inches up at the top, so you are never going to be dealing with stagnant water at the bottom of your pot. Go to www.delta9systems.com, go to the Facilities Consumable tab, check them out. They're going to change your life. How's that? This is Chris Guthrie, Delta9 Systems. I hope you guys are doing good. Be well, y'all.